This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
So this trail cam, so you do have to use data for this. So this is not a Wi-Fi, this is a SIM card 4G, which means you need a data plan, which this gives you 300 MB trial plan, which 300 MB is not that much, but it does give you a trial. Now this is a solar trail cam as well, so here's your solar panel. They do give you your memory card, which is great. Your adapters and hookups, all the stuff that you need. Let's take a look at the cam. So this can be used for a trail cam, security camera. So this is what it looks like. The cam does fully rotate. If you lift underneath on the bottom tab here, pull this open. This is where your memory card and SIM card go. You have your reset and your power button by pressing and holding the power there to turn it on. But again, you can use this as a trail cam, dash cam, not dash cam, trail cam, security camera if you want. And here's just an example of how bright it really is. Around,